Canyon resident stumbled upon the scene while hunting early yesterday morning. Authorities have confirmed this is approximately the same location where two females were discovered last June. All of the victims appear to have been stabbed and strangled to death.
Welcome back, GB Nation. This is your host, GB Creates, aka GB Reacts. And we're doing another part to this gameplay. So I hope y'all enjoy this, because I'm about to go crazy. About to go stupid. I just love how he just unalives a woman, bro. Like, that jump is so crazy. You just gotta sit there and watch him just unalive somebody. That jump's wild. That jump's crazy. Alright, let's get it. I am Leatherface, baby. How do I rev this up? I don't even know how do I rev this thing up. Let's go. Go stupid. Go crazy. Go dumb. Alright. I gotta get out of here first so I can slaughter some people. This is my first time playing as Leatherface, y'all. This is different. So you literally have to be Leatherface in order to play the game. Like, so this is a canon event to play as Leatherface. Again, y'all, this is my first time playing as Leatherface, so spare me. Spare me, please spare me. Cause I ain't finna spare these people. Aha! How you run? Okay, this how you run? He don't run that fast. I gotta hurry up because these people know how to get away and stuff. And I ain't got no people with mics on my Bro, I'm be stuck in the basement the whole time if I don't know how to get out of here. I don't want to spend the whole time in the daggone basement now. I ain't got no teammates to help me out, figure this out. I just gotta figure this out on myself. That's wild. Bro, this is wild. Okay. I'm gonna figure out how to. Ooh, yeah, that's your ass, that's your ass, that's your motherfucking ass. That's your ass, boy. Damn, he got through that damn corner. Oh yeah, that's your ass, boy. I don't even know why you was down here. Coming for your ass. Uh-huh. You thought he was gonna hide, huh? Now that's your ass. Ah, he not in there. Bro, I saw him. I feel bad because I want to kill the only black guy on the game, but shoot. It's the only way to survive, my boy. It's the only way to win. L2 rev chain. Rockstar. See how in the thing on sewer? Get your ass. About to murder you. Bro, I don't know where this dude is at. That's the problem. I saw him one time and then he just disappeared. He's nowhere to be found. That's alright. So I'm gonna get out of here. Now I'm gonna slaughter him. Is there like other ways to get through here? Bro, how do you even get out of here, bro? There's so many ways to get out of here if you are the I guess the escapee. But if you are the escaper, it's so hard to get out of here. Rockstar. Bro, I want to find this dude so bad. He probably already been long gone. Okay. Alright, so I wish I had like a team to help me figure out how to get to the top. But I'm going to find out on my own. Shoot. What's that? I hear somebody. I hear a voice. People with mics will be very beneficial. I finally made it upstairs. I didn't know how the hell I was gonna get out of here. Okay. Make it more easier for myself so I can murder some people. Okay, so let's do a story time while I murder some people, right? So I'm gonna tell y'all I guess I'll tell y'all the daggone. Well, you know, it's Halloween season. Halloween season is near, so I guess I'll tell y'all a scary story. Okay, so here is a scary story. X to feed him. I ain't got nothing to feed him. X requires blood. I ain't got nothing to feed him with, man. I ain't got nothing to feed him with. Damn. From my point of view, kind of lopsided though. I was gonna do a story time, but I'm more focused on trying to play this game. I feel like I could do a story time if I knew how to play this game. I'm still learning, so y'all bear with me. I was surprised nobody escaped yet. Cause this is not easy to get out of. Ah, somebody escaped! I don't like that. Oh. Everybody's escaping now. Okay. I gotta figure out where the hell the exit's at. Okay. I gotta find the exit. Damn. I gotta find. Okay. game time, baby. Oh yeah, that's your ass now, son. Get your ass over here. Get your ass, yeah, bitch. Don't run. Damn it! Oh, so close. Fuck. Now I gotta go find this nigga. I'm so heated right now. I want that nigga so bad. I forgot I was recording, bro. I was so excited to kill that nigga. I was so mad, bro. I gotta go back and try to kill him again, bro. I'm mad as hell. Oh, I see somebody. Am I tripping? Oh, it's just a reflection. Yo. Yo, this is different, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, usually I'm pretty talkative doing gameplay, but it's the one time where I'm just like so focused on trying to kill somebody. I guess it feels different being the killer versus the victim. Because you got more options to kill people, right? I mean, more options to hide and do things where you're more in stealth mode, where like I'm actively trying to kill somebody. You know what I mean? I ain't got time. I gotta get back to this freaking car because if he gets back, if he gets out somehow, then it's over with. I gotta turn this thing back on. Yeah. Ain't nobody escaping, my boy. Ain't nobody escaping. Oh, I'm gonna safeguard this mother. Yeah, y'all don't like that, do it. He's safeguarding up in here. Ability on cooldown. Ugh. As long as that thing stay on, ain't nobody getting out. It's my evil laugh. Ooh, I see somebody. Ooh, I'm finna get their ass. Trying to get around to the ass, like kill him. Oh, Grandpa's in danger. Okay. How the hell somebody escape? How the hell did they escape? When I got the thing closed off. Huh? Damn it, Grandpa. You are not helpful right now. This shit's not hard. This shit's not easy. It's actually not that easy being a killer, bro. That shit is difficult. And apparently there's more than one way for people to escape. And I'm mad. Cause you see me safeguarding it down. Okay. Basement exit opened. Oh shit. Okay. Okay. I guess there's gotta be some other way that they getting out. They say, okay, we can't get out this way. Oh shit, okay. I need to get around and kill this person. I just saw that thing got tampered with. Somebody's fucking with that shit. They killing my grandpa. Okay. Okay. Grandpa, here I come. Trying to kill my grandpa, man. Stop fucking with my grandpa, bro. This nigga didn't move once. You been over here in the same spot all damn day, bro. You ass. Helpful. Booty butt cheeks, man. Booty and butt cheeks, bro. I hear that old ass nigga, but I'm trying to figure out where the hell he at. Is that me breathing like that? The fuck? Oh, that's my character breathing all heavy and shit like Darth Vader. Fuck. This shit extra, bro. Oh, there go Grandpa. Damn, Gramps. Trying to get the Gramps. His old ass. Bro, I'm pressing X and nothing's happening. Alright, I'm about to get back to the... Oh, hold on. I thought I saw something. I'm tripping. Huh. Do my eyes deceive me? Somebody gotta be here still. There's just one person left. Bro, your old ass ain't helpful, bro. You know, why you even on the game? Damn. Everybody escaped. Hey, that was my first time to Texas Chainsaw, bro. Y'all make sure y'all like this video up. Shoot, I know this sounds unfathomable, but let's get to 1,000 likes. 100 likes is minimum, but let's get to 1,000 likes as a standard. And y'all make sure y'all like this video. Y'all make sure y'all share this video, most importantly. And if you aren't already, make sure you subscribe. And I thank you all for watching. I appreciate you for supporting. And this is my first time as Leatherface, man. I think I'm better with Johnny. Johnny, I really be getting on people with Johnny. Like, Leatherface is really hard to play with. I feel like I got more space to move around and really duck and you know, get me one in with Johnny. I done got a cool 2 kills with Johnny the last 2 gameplays. So it's all good. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. If y'all want to see another part to this gameplay, y'all make sure y'all check out the last 2 if you haven't already, and make sure you like this one and share it as always. Thank you guys for watching. This is your host GMB Reacts, and I will see you guys on the next one, only on YouTube. 1,000 subscribers is the goal, baby. Let's go ahead. Keep it subbing up. More subscriptions, the better. Peace. GMB out.